Hello students, today we'll be performing last practical from your journal, practical experiment number 15. Aim of the experiment is to study the process of electroplating. Requirements are battery, copper sulfate solution, copper strip, zinc strip, wires, bulb, etc. Procedure. First, keep all the setup ready as shown in the diagram. Positive end of the battery will connect to the copper plate and negative end of the battery to the zinc plate. I have just added here bulb so that we can see whether the circuit is complete or no. When the bulb glows, that means circuit is complete. This is a copper sulfate solution, you know. So let's do the connections. Just to check, just touch both the ends and see whether bulb is glowing or no. It doesn't glow, that means somewhere is a mistake. Now it's glowing, so that means circuit is complete. You can see, just to check. Now insert it inside the copper sulfate solution. You have to see that both the ends should not touch each other. Allow the current to pass for 10 minutes, and after that we have to remove and observe the plates. You can see current is flowing. Those two strips are not touching each other. Wait for 10 minutes. You can observe there is some kind of reaction is taking place at zinc electrode. After 10 minutes, you can observe that zinc plate turned reddish and copper plate shows little change in color. On zinc plate, copper got settled, because of which the reddish color is developed on the top of zinc plate. Record your observation. In this experiment, copper sulfate solution dissociates into copper and sulfate, and the copper is deposited on zinc plate. Observation: zinc substance at the negative terminal turns reddish due to coating of copper. Conclusion: copper sulfate solution dissociates into copper and sulfate, and the copper is deposited on the zinc substance or a zinc strip. Photograph of your journal. Second page. Diagram. Thank you.